Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here. It is truly a pleasure to see so many cycling enthusiasts in one room. My name is Muhammad Nabi Ramadan, and I am a sales representative of Trike Bicycle Company. My objective today is to introduce you a machine that destroys a compromise, a bike that is legally the fastest we have ever made. I'm talking about the all-new Trek Madon SLR7. By the end of this talk, you will understand why this isn't a just bike; it is podium advantage. And also, please feel free to ask any question at the end of my presentation. So for the outline, we have about the company. Second, we have Madon SLR7 as our product and the price for Madon SLR7, of course. And last but not least, the conclusion. So without any further ado, let's start the presentation. But before we unveil the machine, let me share a little bit about who we are and what and why we do this. Trek Bicycle Company was founded by Dick Burr and Beverly Hawk is in a simple barn located in Waterloo, Wisconsin. Drawing on their previous business experience, they embarked on an ambitious vision to create high-quality American-made bicycles that could rival the dominance of European brands. And today, we do business worldwide. Our customers include kids, teenagers, and even adults around the world. For those humble beginning, we had a simple mission. We build only product we love, provide incredible hospitality to our customer, and change the world by getting more people on bikes. And our motto is ride bikes, have fun, feel good. Isn't just a tagline, it's the philosophy that drives our engineering. Now, let's look at the star for the show, the Madon SLR7. When you look at this bag, your eyes are immediately drawing to that unique hole in the setup that is called ISOFLOW technology. This is our biggest breakthrough. In the past, we used ISOSpeed that to add comfort, but it requires heavy mechanical. With ISOFLOW, we remove the moving part to save weight. This radical design accelerates the air through the frame, reducing drag significantly, but here is the magic. It still flex. It absorbs the harsh vibration from the asphalt, keeping you fresh for the final spin. For the final sprint. It is aerodynamic, it is compliant, and it is lighter than ever. Next is about material and components. The frame is constructed from our proprietary 800 series LCV carbon. This is the strongest and lightest carbon layup we have ever developed. It allows us to create these complex aerodynamic shapes without adding a single gram unnecessary weight. And what drives these cases? We have unique the SLR7 with Shimano Ultraga D212 speed drivetrain. With electronic shifting, you have never missed a gear. This is precise, instant, and reliable under pressure. Paired with powerful hydraulic disc brakes and our Bontrager Allos Pro 51 carbon wheels, this bike is ready to race straight out of the box. Unlike our competitor, who forced to you by upgrade later, the Madon SLR7 is a complete package. It cuts through the wine like a knife but climbs like a feather. So, now let's talk about a price. A superbike of this caliber is an investment in your performance. The Madon SLR7 start at $8,000. I know that sounds like a serious number, but consider this. You are getting a pro level frame, carbon wheels, and a power meter and the most advanced electronic group set on the market. It is priced competitively against other superbikes that often offer less technology. Well, that brings me to the end of my talk. In conclusion, the day of choosing between the fast and light are over. The bike Madon SLR7 gives you everything. Here is my invitation inside a browser we hand out. You will find a QR code and my personal contact detail. I have brought two demo units with me today. I invite you to fill out the form and book a test ride this weekend. Come feel the Isoflow technology yourself. And as a special thank you for attending today, if you place a pre-order or book a consultation within the next 24 hours, we are including a complimentary Bontrager circuit wave cell helmet and a professional bike fitting session, a value of over $300. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I'm now happy to answer any question you might have about the bike, the geometry, or the financial option. Would you like to start?